Hi guys, happy 2025. Actually, Tesla, they not only make great cars, electric cars, naye bakola ne robots. Yeah, robots. They call Optimus Robots. Actually, ngawo about this robot. This is a Tesla Optimus Robot. It's a humanoid. Ashegera. So ejo ejja kuyambako or like oba ogifunye oku just doing basic things at home. Osegera like okugololera engoye, doing your laundry. Osegera like ekuteera engoye mu kyuma then ne manezigolola, laying your bed. Actually oyinza obuteetaaga na kufumbira, making you some cup of coffee, or maybe n'okulerera abaana like nanny. So you won't need a nanny at home. Osegera with this boat, right? So, like you can see there, it has a lot of stamina, right? Yeah, so like in the future, actually by next year, which is 2026, they will be rolling out the Tesla humanoids, right? So basically this Tesla Optimus guy will be like hajakuba nga secretary or your personal secretary, right? So that's how AI, that's artificial intelligence, what to say with technology. And you cannot ignore the fact that that's the way the world is trending. So that's the direction where the whole world is trending, right? Whether you are from whichever corner of the earth you are, but this is how the world is right now. So come on, enjoying a video. Actually, video they are training him to do most of these basic things like a human being can do, these normal things, right? So let me leave you to enjoy the video, but just know the future is very exciting.